Physical interface and cabling types. This topic explains the main mediums, single-mode fiber, multimode fiber, and copper, used to transmit network data. Think of it like different kinds of roads, highways, city streets, and small lanes, each suited for certain travel. The principle is matching the medium to distance, speed, and cost requirements in network design. Single-mode fiber is like a high-speed bullet train, straight, long distance, with minimal interference but higher cost. Multimode fiber is like a subway system, fast over shorter routes, but less effective over long distances. Copper cabling is like local streets, affordable, common, and effective for short ranges. These choices matter because speed, reliability, and budget all depend on the medium selected. From data centers to office wiring, the right cable ensures performance. The takeaway: choose the medium that best matches distance, bandwidth, and budget constraints.